So guys, first check if drive is online or offline. So just right click to Windows icon, means start, go to disk management. So you can check the device is, I have a two, this is DVD writer and this is SSD 100 GB. This is both online. If it is showing offline, so just click to eject, and then again restart. Okay, otherwise you can click to refresh. Okay, this icon for the refresh your disk. Okay, and this is free space and like all the capability and health and all. Okay, so next verify the configuration storage setting. So first click to start, go to setting, then system, then find out storage, and select advanced storage setting. Okay, then what, new connect save, click to this. Okay, and you can see C drive, new app save this, new account save C, new music save C, and like that. Okay, means your tricks is okay. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third. Then last. So click to start, type service, right click to run as administrator, then click background, this background installations, transfer service. So double click to open, starter type automatic, then click to start, and then apply, and then OK. Then select, then again click to restart. If already started, already is working, start, so you can click on restart. Okay, and close it. So is next check Windows update. So click to start, go to setting. Okay, so guys, if in the task Windows startup is setting is not showing, so you can search to type setting. Okay, you can click this like that. Okay, so this is your Windows 11 control setting option. So you just last one Windows update and then click to check for Windows and wait few seconds. It will be show which is you require Windows update in provide from the Microsoft. So might be with the .NET. Now this is the downloading, after that install. Okay, so .NET 3.0 and 4.8.1 with Windows 11 version 22H2 for 64-bit, and this is your key. So it will come different, so no worry, you just first of all download, and then now this is installing to my system. So this is download and install, this is different. Okay, download means you download from the internet to your system. Install means now install your system with your OS operating systems. Okay, it will complete, then restart your system.